All right, we had a Kubota L3130 HST here that wouldn't start this morning. So I went out on a service call to help a guy out. I figured what it was the HST switch, and it was. This is what happens to them. They'll come apart. I think I mentioned that in another video. You actually can just push these back together and re-crimp them, and your switch will still work. But we replaced this one. It's over here on the left hand side if you're sitting in the seat, actually opposite of where the HST pedal is. Tractor starts and runs now. Of course, I didn't film it. I had some people out here, but there it is. The clutch switches go bad just like any of them, you know. And this one here also has a PTO switch, but it's protected pretty good, so we don't see a lot of trouble out of those, or I don't anyways. So that's about it for that one. Thanks.